Recently, the Calcutta High Court disqualified senior political leader from the West Bengal Legislative Assembly about anti-defection law. It was introduced through the 52nd Constitutional Amendment 1985 by adding the 10th schedule to the Constitution. Purpose: to curb political defection motivated by the lure of office, money, or other similar incentives, popularly highlighted by the Ayaram Gayaram episode of 1967. Scope: applies to Parliament and all state legislative assemblies. Ground for disqualification: a legislator voluntarily gives up membership of their political party, which can be inferred from conduct, not only formal resignation. A legislator violates the party whip by abstaining from voting or voting against party directions. Judicial interpretation: voluntarily giving up membership has a broad meaning covering conduct such as public criticism of the party or participation in opposition rallies. Courts insist on no intervention until the presiding officer gives a decision but allow review after. Independent and nominated members. Independent legislators are disqualified if they join a political party after being elected. Nominated members may join a party within 6 months of being nominated. After that period, joining a party leads to disqualification. Authority to decide disqualification: the presiding officer, speaker, or chairman decides on defection petitions. Their decision is subject to judicial review by the High Court and Supreme Court. No specified time limit. The law does not fix a timeline for the presiding officer to decide cases, resulting in delays that have been criticized by courts and committees. Exceptions: party merger: if two-thirds of the party's legislature agree to merge with another party, members who stay with the original party or merge with the new one are both protected. For more topics, do like, share, and subscribe.